little gas station we went to the other day and actually got some propane. We ran out last night or early this morning. Oh, it was like 12:15 this morning in the middle of the night. So we had to go fill up 3 tanks. It was 13 gallons. How much? 20 something bucks. It was $1.99 a gallon. So that's the best price we've seen in a while.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
We have not been getting very good sleep lately. Little Miss Bear has not been feeling well. That's not her not acting. She always does that, is what I'm trying to say. She always puts her nose in the corner. So she's acting okay. Oh, sheesh. Somebody dropped some garbage on the road.
Came out of that truck in front of the guy that's in front of us.
Got it on the dash cam. Yeah, nice. So this place is, what, about 5 miles from Salinas, that little gas station?
Yes.
So a little convenience store, gas station, and $1.99 propane. We asked the guy there if he knew of a cheap, inexpensive place to go dump tanks, because we're going to need to do that when we leave Salinas, and we don't know where we should go, so we're just going to have to look it up. He didn't have an idea of where to go. We told him that's what they needed to do there. It would be perfect.
So Selena wanted to take us up here to see the sunset, and we're up here in this canyon. The truck is parked way down there. We've walked up here.
We can see the moon.
We're up here. All of a sudden, the canyon just ends. We're in a box canyon. I don't know much about the sunset, but you can see the moon way up there. It is beautiful in here.
Yeah.
It's very nice up here.
Nice. I don't think we're going to get much of a sunset here, though, hon.
I think the sun has already set on this canyon.
Yeah. And since we have no service, we cannot get a good location on maps.
Down in the canyon.
Holy moly.
We're on our little adventure.
Yeah. We're going to definitely be hungry.
If we make it back to civilization.
Exactly. I'm going to start gnawing on a cactus. I'll continue to gnaw on the cactus.
Yeah, I think that's good. There's a light at the end of the canyon.
Yes.
We're not the only ones that have gotten back here.
Yeah.
Very sandy on one side, very rocky on the other side. Oh, look.
Fun. Can't wait for people to say, "Oh, you took your purse on a hike?" Yeah, there's a reason for that.
Yep.
What's that rock?
I got this one in Mexico.
Yeah.
I get home and I'm like, "Shoot, I hope it fits," because it's like,
Yeah,
Oh boy. Uh-oh. I don't think this is the way down. Having fun?
Yeah, I am.
Good.
Good. You?
A lovely time.
Let me get my shadow out of the shot. There you go.
I was getting our shadows in the shot.
Oh my.
I can see it out this window. I'm like,
Here's where we tried to drive up this little hill. There's our tire tracks. And there's the side of the hill. There's the truck down there. Yeah, the tires kind of dug in here. Couldn't make it up the hill. So we walked the rest of the way. It was a fun little jaunt.
say again? Oh, yeah.
Careful. Oh wow, are you thirsty? Time to go.